Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize and save brand templates in Snappa. Start by logging into your Snappa account. From the dashboard, choose a template that closely matches your brand style. You can find templates in various categories like social media, blogs, graphics, ads, and more. Add your brand color. Update the template with the brand color by selecting any element, then using the color picker to enter the specific hex code for your brand palette. Go to the color option here and click on Edit. Here, click on plus icon and enter the hex value of your brand color. After that, click on Save. Now, you can find your saved color here. You can click on any text element and choose the font that aligns with your brand. Adjust its size from this arrow keys. Go to the Graphics tab and click on Uploads. And upload your logo. Position it on the template as needed, keeping it consistent across different designs. Use Snappa graphic tool to add shapes, icon, and illustration. Once you have customized the design to reflect your brand, click on Save button on the top of the editor. First, give your template a clear name. Click on Edit button here and click on Save. After that, create a new folder or you can save to Audio Graphics folder. When you need to create a new design, go to the menu and click on Saved Graphics. Here you can find your template. Once you have finished with edit with each specific design, download it as a PNG, JPG or PDF. By saving custom brand template in Snappa, you can maintain consistent branding and streamline your design process, making it quick and easy to create branded content. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.